Hey everyone, welcome back to Channel Name. In today's video, we're going to focus on something a lot of us forget about, our feet. Whether you're an athlete, dancer, or just looking to improve your balance and overall health, foot flexibility is super important. So let's dive into the ultimate guide to foot flexibility exercises for beginners. Let's get started. Our feet are the foundation of our body. They help with balance, mobility, and posture. But over time, they can become stiff, leading to discomfort or even injury. That's why it's crucial to keep them flexible. Improved foot flexibility can help reduce pain, prevent injuries, and enhance athletic performance. Now let's go through some easy-to-follow exercises to get those feet feeling flexible and strong. Before we jump into the stretches, it's important to warm up. We'll start with a basic warm-up to get the blood flowing to our feet. First, we'll do some ankle rolls. Sit comfortably and lift one foot off the ground. Roll your ankle in circles, 10 times clockwise and 10 times counterclockwise. Great. Now switch to the other foot and do the same. Next, point and flex your toes. Extend your leg and point your toes as much as you can, then flex them back. Repeat this 10 times on each foot. Now let's move on to stretching out the toes. This helps with overall foot mobility and can prevent toe cramps. First, we're going to do a toe spread. Sitting with your feet flat on the floor, spread your toes apart as wide as you can, then bring them back together. Do this 10 times. Next, we'll try a big toe stretch. Using your hand, gently pull your big toe upwards, holding for 15 to 20 seconds. Then, press it downward gently. This helps with flexibility and can relieve stiffness. Now we'll work on stretching the arches of our feet. If you have a towel or resistance band, grab it. We'll do the towel stretch. Sit on the floor, legs straight in front of you. Place the towel under the ball of your foot and gently pull back. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, then switch to the other foot. Another great stretch is the arch lift. While sitting, place your foot flat on the floor and try to lift just the arch of your foot, keeping your heel and toes on the ground. Hold for a few seconds and release. Repeat 10 times for each foot. To really improve flexibility, we need to strengthen the muscles in our feet. Let's start with some toe curls. Take a small towel and place it on the floor. Using just your toes, try to scrunch up the towel toward you. This strengthens your foot muscles and helps with flexibility. Another fun one is picking up small objects with your toes. You can use marbles, pens, or any small object around the house. Try picking up the objects with your toes and placing them in a container. It's harder than it looks, but really effective. Now that we've stretched and strengthened our feet, let's cool down with a quick massage. Using your thumbs, gently massage the bottom of your feet, starting at the heel and moving toward the toes. This can help with circulation and relieve any tension after the exercises. A good foot massage can also help with plantar fasciitis or just after a long day on your feet. Take your time with this and enjoy the relaxation. Your ultimate guide to foot flexibility exercises for beginners. Incorporating these exercises into your routine will help keep your feet flexible, strong, and pain-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.